Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Coinbase in the USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Coinbase in the USA, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Coinbase website by typing www.coinbase.com in the address bar. Once the site loads, click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've created your password, click on Create Account. You will then receive an email to verify your account. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from Coinbase. Click on the link in the email to verify your address. After verification, return to the Coinbase website. Next, you will need to provide your phone number. Enter your phone number and click on Send Code. Check your phone for a text message with the verification code. Enter the code in the designated field and click Verify. Now, you'll be asked to provide some personal information. This includes your first name, last name, and date of birth. After filling in the required fields, click Continue. Coinbase will then prompt you to enter your address. Fill in your street address, city, state, and zip code. Once completed, click on Continue again. Next, you will be required to verify your identity. Upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompts to take a photo of your ID as instructed. After uploading your ID, you may also need to take a selfie for additional verification. Once you submit your identification, Coinbase will review your documents. This may take a few minutes or longer depending on demand. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation email. After receiving confirmation, return to your Coinbase account. You can now add a payment method to fund your account. Choose between linking a bank account, debit card, or other options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.